Yeah. Dreams come true, dreams come true, dreams come true. Yeah. Use the money. Yeah. Hey. For real, man, you know sometimes you gotta believe in God, man. Because dreams come true. No matter what, man, never be afraid, man. Just fight! Sure. Okay, sibonga umfihlakalo simjoje elokishini nkulunkulu sikhanyisele sonke sitha sifuna sibona siwile 6 feet under sitho sithanda ukubhetha help our nation kodwa thina sithi ngeke basicontrole ngeke basikhone basikhokhone. African religion is not a new religion abazi ukuthi thina si strong lama soldier still on the journey si strong lama soldier dear Jehovah sibonga protection sikhanyisele ebunyameni masigijime ebunyameni sifikele ebunyameni sigijimisa iphupho ngeke usithole sabo uNkulunkulu uhlale khona sika amacebo amaphupho amaculo. Dreams come true, man, life is a miracle, make it happen, man, life is a miracle. Shasholaza sikange impilo sibonga umfihlakalo sithe samusigcoba kodwa sithi ngeke balunge Nkosi somhlaba siphela isihlala sikhona everyday solo bambulele sebambulelele imali yakhe accident diseases lama suffering qeda abantu everyday what's really happening I'm a crime I'm a murder they still increasing people working harder every day for the peanuts cela sikhanyisele singamasotsha wakho dear God sake silathi ithemba ngoba wena uhlala khona God cela sithethelele isono sethu sonke dear God kuma rise kuma force cela uhlale lathi God vuka kuseni bathi marathon ngathi rap moya wami uhlala uphakeme mase rap phume Africa amasiko wami yaphila phume Africa amasiko wami yaphila oh